Hello and welcome to another update video about Luna Classic. Reason for an update is because we have come further here into the target area highlighted in green. In my last update we had just, I think, touched it, maybe entered it. We were just above 0.0003 and I told you that in the short term I do expect further downside and either a reversal in this area, which is between 0.000272 and 0.00302, or if we lose this level, then between these levels 0.000255 and 20335. So this depends, and depending on in which area we get, we can be fairly certain then in which wave count we are as well. Because let me take you through the different possibilities here that the chart is fulfilling at the moment. So the first potential is that we've obviously formed here, highlighted in yellow, a higher level wave 1, a wave 2 here, which bottomed at 0.01827, which was on the 26th of September, and now we are in this third wave to the upside, which consists obviously of 5 subwaves, and we could now just be in the first one of them, highlighted in yellow here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would then complete yellow wave 3 here. Now, what we don't know at the moment is this here the wave 1 top at 0.00373, or was this actually the wave 1 top, and did we have a wave 2 low in here, and are we only just now moving in another 1-2 setup? Now that is not entirely clear. There's even another possibility where we say yeah, this was wave 1 and then we had here A, B, and the C wave is coming down now. But my take on this is, if we hold in this particular area, the higher one that I mentioned, then the wave 2 was already in here, and we are currently working on another 1-2 setup. So it would look a bit like that. This then a wave 1, no, not ABC, 1 second, choose the correct count here. This was a wave 1, we're now coming down in 2, and then we go up 3, 4, 5 to finish off white wave 3. I just need to move everything to the right. That happens all the time. Okay, so this would be the overall assumption here. Yeah. But to make this work, this yellow wave 2, so the 1-2, 1-2 pattern would hold in this area, or would need to hold in this area. Why is that? That's purely based on the fib levels and fib retracement. So if we measure here yellow wave 1 fibs, then you can see that we have now pulled back to the 78.6% fib level. So you just need to move that up a bit, yeah, roughly. Okay, we have pulled back to the 78.6% fib level. To be honest, already below that level, it will get less likely that we are here in a wave 2. Then it looks like, but really only when we get out of the box to the downside, it will look strongly like that we are actually in the scenario where white wave 2 was never done. So this is sort of the make or break point here, this swing or this support level at 272. Yeah. At the moment, as I said, we're holding above the 78.6% fib level, and however, it looks like that this wave topped in 3 waves, and then we came down basically in a 99% retracement. So to me, at the moment, looks like we will see one more dip. What we can see, though, interestingly, is a bullish divergence on the RSI. Yeah, you can see it here on the hourly. We have bullish divergence where we made from here, yeah, where we actually made lower lows on the price chart, and then let's say the same low, double bottom on the RSI. Yeah, normally you would expect if the price was to follow, or the RSI was to follow the price, you would expect lower lows. And since then, it has started to recover a little bit. Let's take a look on the 4-hour chart. Here, don't have such a clear picture of a bullish divergence yet. No. So yeah, I think generally we can look at even more lower prices. From my point of view, this would be ideal because we have not yet broken out in 5 waves. This move here looks very much 3-wave like to me, to the upside, which would indicate we'll come down in another 5 waves. And then it depends on which level we are going to break, or which box are we going to break. If we lose the 272 level, we are probably coming down to at least 255, where we then have a next chance to recover in a wave 3, depending on which of these scenarios is going to play out. But so for me, at the moment, there is no bottom signal yet. I think a first signal that we are indeed coming high is either, counting really on the very, very micro scale, the first 5 waves to the upside and then 3 waves down, or looking here at a possible breakout at 305. But bear in mind, you're already now at key support for the current scenario. Okay, and that's my update about Luna Classic. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.